Hi, I'm Gwenna Jones and I'm the Project Officer on the Sustainable Landscape Sustainable Places Dark Skies project. Project is a collaboration between all of the 8 designated landscapes in Wales, and it's the first time the designated landscapes have come together as Pan Wales to work on a project. All designated landscapes have been working together to reduce light pollution and increase awareness of the importance of dark skies. 98% of the UK population currently lives under heavily light polluted skies and are being denied access to natural darkness and views of the night sky. So the aim of the Dark Skies project is to reduce light pollution, mainly for biodiversity because light pollution is having a detrimental effect on our nocturnal animals, but also for human health as well. Light pollution is an increasing issue globally, with an increase of up to 400% in the last 25 years, and it's only in recent years that the true impact on biodiversity has begun to be recognised. So when we talk about dark sky friendly lighting, there are 3 key elements that we need to make sure that we are achieving. So the first one is the colour temperature, so it must be at least 3000 kelvins or below. They must be fully shielded to make sure that no light spill is going beyond where it's needed to light. And the final one is to make sure that they're all downward facing. The project has educated businesses and communities about the importance of dark sky lighting. As a project, we have worked with over 30 sites across Wales to retrofit their lighting. Dark sky lighting is not only good for our night skies, it's also low energy and low carbon, which also means reduced running costs. Some examples include village halls, schools, outdoor centres and sports lighting. Some projects have seen a 60% reduction in carbon and energy saving. We are now being approached by community groups and businesses to help them improve their external lighting, and the message is really starting to get out there. We must work together to tackle the issue of light pollution, and working on a landscape scale can significantly improve nocturnal corridors. It's all about the right light, in the right place, at the right time.